So today we are having the election day. Before this we have nomination and other process. So now Bhavika will announce the names and they will come and they will get a slip from which they will cast their vote. Now they are having mark on their fingers so that we can ensure that no one can vote twice.
They have their ID proof so that the polling officers can check whether the correct individual is casting his or her vote. Making sure that the election will be conducted peacefully and fairly. Yes. Wait a minute. In a democratic system of government, the election should always be conducted fairly and the voters should cast their vote without any fear and without coming under influence of any political party. One by one, all the candidates, basically the voters, are going to the ballot box. They are casting their vote and then coming out. The polling officers are ensuring that at one time only one student goes in, casts his or her vote and comes out of this place. Because he is also a part of this class, so his vote should also be counted. That is why we have included him. Yes. You can see that the election process is going on very peacefully, very smoothly. There is no hassle. Everybody is patiently waiting for their turn. Then only they are casting their vote. And the polling officers are checking every individual's detail carefully so that the voting system can be fearless, and that will be conducted in a fair manner. This is basically the celebration of democracy, because democracy in our country we celebrate after every 5 years in the form of election, where all the citizens of our country are able to cast their vote, those who are 18 and above. Wait for your turn. Once the individual casting his or her vote, he or she comes out, then only go to the ballot box. This way we are going to select our class representative today very fairly, with giving equal chance to each and every student sitting over here in this class, so that everybody feels that you people are equal and your vote is counted equal. At the end of this process, the polling officers are going to tell us that how many votes are being casted today, how many of the students have used their vote. Yes. Wait a minute, Shubham, come out of this place. Let the student cast his vote, then only you will be going that side. Do not share your thoughts, your ideas with others. That is just not to influence anybody's thoughts at the last moment. Let them decide whatever they have decided earlier, because they are mature enough to decide their vote. Patiently wait for your turn, then move inside. This is just a demonstration of election day in a democratic system of government. I hope everybody takes it in a sporting manner. Okay, nobody takes it personal.
The polling officers are ensuring that everyone is using votes smoothly.
Yes, you have to use your votes wisely while selecting your class representative. Right? You have to be very happy whosoever wins the election for that individual, okay, because he or she is going to help you out in the functioning of the classroom activities, right? So all the votes are done. Can you please tell us that how many people casted their vote today?
So all maintain discipline. Now we are seeing that how many votes are there.
Okay, yes.
There are 26 voters.
There are 26 voters, those who have casted their vote today. They have used the voting right of theirs, and some of the students, they remained absent. That is why we could not give them this opportunity to cast their vote. Okay. Now, we are not going to extend this activity for any other day. We'll bring the ballot box from that area. Go and bring it and place it in front of the polling officers so that they open it and they start counting these votes. And by the time they count the votes, I want everybody to be sitting peacefully at his or her place. You all have to sit peacefully There should not be any noise. Okay, the counting is taking place in front of you all, so that there should be fair result announced. Okay. See, the ballot, from the ballot box, the ballot papers are being taken out and they are kept in front of the polling officer. Together they are going to count these votes. Laksh, you also place your table to that side a little more and then start counting. Now what you have to do, Bhavika and Laksh, in a paper, in a copy where you were noting down the names, write all these 3 candidates' name, and using the tally marks you are going to place the votes there. Okay, like if one vote is for Priyal, then you will draw a standing line in front of the name. Okay, in that way you are going to count these votes. Make sure that all the ballot papers should be on the table. Nothing should remain inside the box. Okay, check it carefully and take it out. You can see everybody is sitting peacefully, quietly at their places, waiting for the results to come. They are not involved in the counting process to make the election fair. Let's vote for the. Let's just wait for the results, and they are soon going to announce it.
Now the result is finally prepared.
We are ready to declare the results, so I request all the voters to be quite calm, and here's Divyanshi to announce.
Hey guys, hey friends, today we have done the elections. There were 3 parties. First party get 5 votes, second party get 7 votes, and third party get 15 votes. The winning party is Daksh.
Daksh. Now all other 2 candidates will join Daksh there. Finally, come fast. So we did the election today. We finally used the voting right of ours in the class, showing the democratic system of government, celebration of democracy through elections. So here is a proof that everybody voted today. They are showing their finger, index finger, where the polling officer has marked the ink, showing that every individual in the class, every student in the class casted his or her vote. So through this, what did we learn? क्या सीखा हमने?
We have our right to vote. That our election.
Right to vote is our right that has been given to us by our Constitution. Yes, for the fair and smooth election process for selecting our own representatives. Now, huge round of applause for everyone here.